baby.
These are two babies.
Oh, two babies. Elmo is a baby too?
Yeah, and I'm the baby too. Look at him. Hey, Mama. Says Alva.
What?
I'm drinking the baby.
Oh, baby Anna, how does that taste?
Good. It's more milk.
Oh, it is?
Yep.
That's the best.
No, you're really drinky, said Alva. No, you're really drinky. No, you're really drinky. Come on, baby, crawl. Come on, baby, let's crawl, baby. Baby, crawl.
Can the baby crawl?
Yeah. Baby, crawl. She's drinking milk. Then she will drink the. Then she will crawl. The baby Anna can't have a granola bar.
No, babies don't eat granola bars.
Baby Anna doesn't eat baby granola bars.
Oh,
You drink.
you drink, that's right.
And fish. Hey baby, you got your jaw. Yeah.
Ava, you're taking very good care of your baby.
Yes, I am.
Do you love your baby?
Yes, I love my baby so much. I'll do this. I'll do this. Read it. I need you. I need you to drink. I'm gonna go get my baby. Baby, come back.
Where'd your baby go?
I'm gonna go get her. I'm gonna get my baby. I'll be right back.
You'll be right
I
back?
can go chase the baby.
Oh my!
I'll take it.
Where'd they go? Where'd they go? Hey, baby girl. Where'd they go? Huh? What are they doing? What are you doing? Da 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 da. Da da na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Where's those teeth? Where's those teeth? Ready? Ah! Ready? Ready? Oh! Ow! Yeah, I feel them. Ah, there they are. Yep, there's those teeth.
I see the teeth. I see the teeth. Come back. Baby, come. Okay, come. Let's go to Mama. Mama, I starting to love it.
Oh, sure.
The babies.
Wow, Anna, you got a lot of babies.
Baby, come here.
Oh, there she goes.
I need to go chase the baby. Baby, come back.
Here's my baby.
The other's so bad. He's turning you up. Come back. Come back. Mama, I'm so...
What's the matter, Anna?
I want to come back.
You want the Abba to come back? So what do you say if you want the Abba? You gotta call Papa and say, please come.
Please, come. I'll get you some food.